everyone, this is the slime stretch. Well, I mean like slime. Sorry about the first part. It's it's slime, so it's really stretchy. Okay, let's just open it. Oh, and first date, subscribe. I'm really excited. At the first part, I was saying this is slimy. That's because I am really excited to open this. So let's start. Ooh, because there's going to be a character inside it, that's why. Okay, let's start revealing. Stretchy! The character's head just popped out. I'm just going to hide it so we don't see it yet. Well, really much. Okay. Let's start seeing which one. Look how stretchy it is. Okay, let's open it. Like that. Oh, I can literally see its arm. Now that I've zipped it out, I can see its robot. Well, the robot. I just need to get its arm and back out. Look! Really cute. And if you pat its head, it will move, so you can put it on a car or somewhere and then you can see it moves while the car goes, which will look good. And it sticks at the bottom. Well, it's just because of the slime, because the slime's really sticky. And that's it home. Ooh, it slipped on its head. No! Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Oh, I remembered to